Hey there, savvy investors. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down investing basics to help you build wealth smarter. Today, we're diving into how to buy the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, VOO. If you're new to investing or just want a straightforward guide, you're in the right place. VOO is one of the most popular ETFs out there. It's essentially a basket of stocks from 500 of the largest US companies, offering broad market exposure with super low fees. Let's get started. First things first, you need a brokerage account. Think of this as your gateway to the stock market. I recommend platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab because they often have zero commission trades for ETFs like VOO. Sign up online. It's quick and usually takes just a few minutes. You'll need to provide some basic info like your name, address, and social security number for verification. Once your account is set up and approved, fund it. Link your bank account and transfer some money in. Start small if you're a beginner, maybe $100 or $500, to test the waters without overwhelming yourself. Now, the fun part. Searching for VOO. Log into your brokerage app or website, go to the search bar, and type in VOO. You'll see details like its current price, historical performance, and expense ratio, which is a tiny 0.03% for VOO. That's why it's so cost-effective. Next, place your order. Decide how many shares you want to buy or use dollar-based investing if available. Select Buy, choose market or limit order based on your strategy, and confirm. Boom! You're now a proud owner of VOO shares. Finally, don't just set it and forget it. Keep an eye on your investment through your brokerage dashboard, but remember, ETFs like VOO are for long-term growth, so avoid knee-jerk reactions to market dips. There you have it. That's how you buy VOO in a nutshell. Investing can seem intimidating, but with steps like these, you're well on your way. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. What's your next investment move? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.